Welcome, today in front of me Nokia G11 and I'll show you how to link or unlink Google Assistant from or to Google Assistant button. So now by double press on the Google Assistant button here on the left side of our device, we can see that this button just doesn't work. To link here now the Google Assistant feature, we should launch the settings application, and after that scroll down to the system section, then click here to the gestures and you'll see Google Assistant button. Now just to activate it, to link Google Assistant to this button, you should click once on the switcher, and now just by double press to the Google Assistant button, we can see that this option is turned on successfully. If you wanna unlink it just from this button, just by the same way, click once on the switcher and that's it. As you can see, that's so simple to do. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.